Hey there! Today on Cool Product, we're checking out the top 5 best car battery tester, perfect for keeping your vehicle running strong. Stick around as we break down each model in detail. Let's get started.
At number 5, we have the Ancel BA101 car battery tester.
The Ancel BA101 car battery tester is a professional-grade device designed to help vehicle owners and mechanics assess battery performance with ease. Utilizing the world's most advanced conductance testing technology, it quickly and accurately measures key aspects of your car's battery and related systems. This tester evaluates the actual cold cranking amp's capability of the starting battery, providing insight into its power delivery during engine startup. It also analyzes the overall health state of the battery itself, detecting issues like degradation or reduced capacity. Additionally, the BA101 identifies common faults in the vehicle's starting system and charging system, allowing for timely maintenance and preventing unexpected breakdowns. As a 100% original product from Ancel, a trusted brand alongside Foxwell, Launch, and ThinkCar, the BA101 ensures authentic quality and reliable performance. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to monitor battery condition without complex equipment. When purchasing, orders are processed swiftly, with shipping from warehouses in Germany, the USA, or the UK. Items typically ship within 24 hours, arriving in just 3 to 7 days. European customers benefit from hassle-free delivery, with no additional taxes or customs fees. Note that while highly capable, the BA101 may not support every vehicle model. It's recommended to confirm compatibility with your specific car make, model, and year before ordering. With its precise diagnostics and user-friendly design, the Ancel BA101 stands out as a valuable addition to any driver's toolkit, promoting vehicle reliability and peace of mind on the road. Next up, at number 4, we have the Habotest HT3500E car battery tester. The Habotest HT3500E is a practical car battery tester designed to quickly assess the condition of automotive batteries. By simply clipping it onto the battery terminals, users can instantly detect the battery status, allowing them to evaluate whether it requires replacement or maintenance. At the heart of the HT3500E is a smart chip that ensures accurate detection and rapid response times. This advanced technology provides reliable battery testing and evaluation results, giving users confidence in the readings. The tester supports multiple battery types and is particularly suited for 12-volt and 24-volt storage batteries commonly found in vehicles. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for car owners and mechanics alike. Safety is a key feature of the HT3500E. It includes reverse polarity protection and over-voltage protection, ensuring secure operation even if connections are made incorrectly. One of the standout conveniences is that the device requires no internal batteries to operate. It draws power directly from the battery being tested, so users can start diagnostics immediately without any preparation. Operation is straightforward thanks to a simple interface. The clear display and intuitive controls make it accessible even for complete novices, allowing anyone to perform professional-level battery checks with ease. Overall, the Habotest HT3500E combines accuracy, safety, and simplicity in a compact tool that helps maintain vehicle reliability through timely battery health monitoring. Taking the third spot is the Foxwell BT301 car battery tester. The Foxwell BT301 car battery tester is a powerful and practical tool designed to simplify battery health checks for vehicle owners and professionals alike. With its clear, vibrant digital screen, it delivers quick and reliable results that are easy to read, even in various lighting conditions. This tester stands out for its versatility, working seamlessly with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, tractors, and boats. It supports batteries rated from 100 to 2000 cca, making it suitable for everything from compact cars to heavy-duty equipment. The BT301 handles multiple battery types with impressive accuracy of up to 99.9%. It effectively tests 6-volt and 12-volt batteries, including AGM, GEL, EFB, and regular flooded varieties. Users can perform thorough diagnostics that cover key metrics: state of health, state of charge, cranking voltage, and alternator output. This comprehensive approach provides a complete picture of battery and charging system performance. Convenience is built into the design. The included 6.5-foot cable offers ample reach for testing batteries both in and out of the vehicle, eliminating the need to remove the battery in most cases. Setup is straightforward. Just connect the clamps and follow the on-screen prompts for fast, accurate readings. Whether maintaining a personal vehicle or managing a fleet, the Foxwell BT301 delivers professional-grade battery testing in an accessible package, helping users identify issues early and keep vehicles running smoothly. Coming in at number 2 is the Jdiag BT300 car battery tester. The Jdiag BT300 car battery tester is a reliable tool designed to deliver precise diagnostics for a wide range of vehicles and battery types. It effectively analyzes and reads essential data such as voltage, internal resistance, cold crank amperage, capacity, battery health, and state of charge. By calculating cold cranking capability and battery aging, it enables faster and more accurate vehicle maintenance. To ensure safe and efficient operation, the tester is equipped with a prompt for poor contact, alerting users when the test clip is not properly clamped to the battery terminals. It also features reverse polarity protection, safeguarding the power supply from damage if connections are reversed. Durability is a key aspect of the BT300. The test line is crafted from high-quality, environmentally friendly materials that offer elasticity and toughness, resisting breakage even with frequent use. Its pure copper clips provide a large opening range and strong grip, ensuring accurate measurements every time. Designed with user convenience in mind, the tester includes a non-slip exterior for easy one-handed operation. The integrated cable machine design keeps connections stable, preventing accidental disconnection or loss. Physical buttons deliver quick response and a comfortable tactile feel, making the device intuitive to use. Versatility further enhances its value as the BT300 supports testing across 6-volt, 12-volt, and 24-volt batteries. This makes it suitable for motorcycles, cars, lawnmowers, golf carts, ATVs, trucks, and marine batteries, offering broad application across different vehicle types and equipment. Compact, durable, and precise, the Jdiag BT300 car battery tester is a dependable solution for anyone seeking efficient battery diagnostics and maintenance. And finally, our top pick, the Mastfuyi FY8912B car battery tester. The Mastfuyi FY8912B car battery tester is a versatile diagnostic tool designed to meet the needs of automotive technicians, DIY car owners, and fleet maintenance teams. Built with advanced technology, it provides accurate and reliable insights into battery performance and overall vehicle electrical health. Safety is a core feature of the FY8912B. The device incorporates reverse polarity, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection, ensuring secure operation during every test. This makes it a dependable choice for handling batteries in various conditions without risk of damage to the tester or the vehicle. Precision testing is another highlight. The tester delivers quick results based on input battery capacity or CCA standards, allowing users to evaluate battery strength with confidence. Its comprehensive diagnostic functions extend beyond basic battery checks, offering detailed evaluations of cranking voltage, alternator performance, and the health of the charging system. The Mastfuyi FY8912B supports a wide range of battery types, including 12-volt and 24-volt lead-acid batteries. It is compatible with AGM, GEL, and EFB batteries, making it suitable for modern vehicles and equipment with diverse energy requirements. This versatility ensures that the tester can be applied across multiple scenarios, from everyday car maintenance to professional fleet servicing. Compact and user-friendly, the Mastfuyi FY8912B car battery tester combines safety, precision, and adaptability in one device. Whether used in workshops, garages, or on the road, it provides the essential data needed to maintain battery health and optimize vehicle performance. Before you go, here's something important. For all these battery testers, check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more helpful reviews and product guides.